There is one thing I tell my students to practice on regular basis, and honestly I practice it very very consciously in my life too, and it makes me feel so good, and that is appreciate people. Habit of appreciation. So today I texted one of my friend और मुझे उसका content बहुत पसंद आ रहा था और मुझे लगा कि मुझे उसको appreciate करना चाहिए, तो मैंने उसको text किया and genuinely appreciate किया कि you're doing so good, and her response was like I felt so good, मुझे इतने दिनों में किसी ने appreciate नहीं किया. And honestly that stayed with me. When did we stop appreciating people? ये क्यों ऐसा है कि हम लोगों को appreciate करना भूल गए हैं? We notice when someone looks good, we notice when someone does something well, we notice किसी की kindness, उसका confidence, उसका talent, उसका effort. But somehow we all keep all of it in our head. सिर्फ अपने दिमाग में है कि this person is doing good. We think of it, हम feel करते हैं, लेकिन we don't say it. And I think we have forgotten how powerful genuine appreciation can be. So when we talk about confidence, the confidence doesn't come from someone constantly trying to improve themselves. I think sometimes it begins with someone else saying, right? जैसे like someone saying, I see you, you're really good at this, I admire this quality about you. मतलब उसके बारे में appreciate करना, या किसी को ये कहना कि you handled this really really well. So for example, if you like someone's outfit, tell the person. If you admire their confidence, tell them that yes, I really love your confidence. कोई आपका दोस्त है जो आपको लगता है कि बहुत ही अमेजिंग पर्सन है, टेल द अदर पर्सन. इफ दे डिड समथिंग रियली रियली इंस्पायरिंग, उस चीज़ ने आपको इंस्पायर किया, टेल द अदर पर्सन दैट दिस क्वालिटी और दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग रियली इंस्पायर्ड मी, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हाट समवन इज साइलेंटली स्ट्रगलिंग विद. एंड दिस 5-second मैसेज कुड जेन्युइनली मेक देयर डे. मतलब आपका एक छोटा सा मैसेज उनके कॉन्फिडेंस को बूस्ट कर सकता है. सो हियर इज समथिंग आई वॉन्ट यू रियली टू प्रैक्टिस. डोंट जस्ट अप्रिशिएट पीपल इन योर हेड. This week pick 2 or 3 people and tell something that you genuinely appreciate about them. उनको text करो, उनको simply एक voice note भेजो, with no agendas, no flattery messages, no expectation of anything in return, just genuine appreciation. Maybe we are not running out of good people, maybe we are just getting too comfortable with noticing the good and never saying it.